Daga jingta ya kajing duno ya ke mensim ke bakodor ke babon kisnong kam tam apa Mawsynram C&Rd blok umati rang ba yang kecela konda sama oleh tiara ke kisnong dangar kan mesau bat kuih de kisnong kebab apa Mawsynram C&Rd blok sekilong yeng ke bersyakta naga jing seleum ba kajing tua yang ke lum kiwa bat kam tam ya jo ke yeng kisam hagan kata yo ke beladap Umti rang ba rengkat kajon langru UMD joka Mawsynram uba jam Champliang MDC joka Mawsynram uba alidan saukne angkat EDC jom East Castle District bat kiwi dia ki officer oleh hiar ceti kisnong bat kamtam banyak kendu ye ki long yeng long sam ki bladu no ye ki ba ye ki bathan ki joki kon rat ular rung ki ki yeng banyak kendu ye ki kan aret ye ki kimiki ba bat komjur ye ki bat ki bayi basam joki ni ki bat no ya ki ni ki jingja ki belaja ha ki ni si ki belaja ka jing na shop joka pa
brothers sisters
kay ka barakta nang ka jing lek jok umti ba kalau bola rung hi tara jong kamet bat mat khamat oleh kandu ye kini kilo hi musa manya keren baki ba kam tam man I'm si baki ha ko kum kini ki por baki pan ba ki mat ye ki jing ja ki ba snosi bat ki mat ye ki jing jenja nama ki jing na shop ye ki board jo kamariang
now we go to the be the sign up. Oh, अच्छा अच्छा मैं वहाँ
apa yang kita jodoh slap nutrang ba oleh kandur samla ki kena ba kino sosong dengan kisnong ba terus tai kebenar sing di time riwa bagi baik ladap dan dokumen men kandu dan sen menekong ya nutrang ba jang kejelang wan kisnong ke tongki ha ba kom ke puat ki baik ba ki mat ki cing
Oh, look at that. Yes. That's the most green that's there. All coming down there.
apa kan ai masim ye kilang yung lasam ki ba du no ye ki ba ki ba thon ki jong ki ba komjur ki pai ba ki ba mat ki jing e umtrang ba ro pen pau ki jing songsi ka ba jor mar ka jing ja ki jing shop ki board ka mariang ndeu la ongru ba ka sarkar ka ni ka bala man thau ki la ti ban ai ki jing rap ye ki ba kham tam du pen ba no ya ka lek ka wan ke liti ki singkin ba ki serok shakan ka thai
Condolences to all of you for the demise and the death of the little children and of your daughter and of your younger sister. It was a very tragic incident that happened, and on behalf of the government, we are all here to share your sorrow and also to support in whatever way possible to help all of you get through this very, very difficult time. From the government side, as has been mentioned by the Honorable MLA, that there is an ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs per deceased, which will be amounting to total of 20 lakhs. And the BDO will sit with all of you, the family members, and decide on how we should move forward. But the sanction from the government side has been done, and we will be giving the sanction letter to you.
Companies that are operating here, I'm hopeful that even the mobile services, apart from that, I'm aware that the entire road connectivity in this region has been affected, and even before that, the road connectivity was bad through the plain areas. And you are aware that we as a government have sanctioned the road. And I'm also happy to inform you, there was a bridge called? Yeah. The bridge over Kasimara area, the bridge will be also sanctioned in the next few days. And we're hopeful that that bridge also, the construction of that work will start very, very soon. And once the Kasimara bridge is done, that will also help the people of this region and of this area. And I'm sure that that will be a great connectivity for the people of this region.